Hello dear viewers, the model of the phone that I have in my hand is Vivo Y15s. This phone model is Vivo Y15s. Now today I'll show you how to activate call waiting service in Vivo Y50s phone. If you want to enable call waiting service in these phones, for this first I will put the SIM on the phone. After SIM card ready to use, second time you need to find the phone's dial pad option to enable call waiting service. After click on the option on the dial pad, 3 decimal will appear in front of you. Then click on 3 dot button. After click on 3 dot button, you will see an option called call history and settings and feedback. Click on call settings. After click on settings, it will be presented with many options from here. You will see an option called calling accounts. Then click on calling accounts and select your SIM card. After selecting your SIM card, you will see an option called additional settings. Then click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, you will see an option call waiting. If you want to enable your phone call waiting service, you just turn it on this option and enable your phone call waiting service. And if you want to disable your call waiting service in these phones, if you just turn it off this call waiting service and disable your phone call waiting service. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.